Hi guys, and welcome to SalesJet. What you're seeing right now is the dashboard, and it's divided in a few sections. Sales channels, where you can build your websites and your funnels, emailing, SMS, messages, phone calls, and connection with Facebook Messenger, and bot, and so on and so forth. You have what to sell, which are products, and TrainingJet, which is our membership platform within SalesJet. You have contact and leads, orders and payments, the general setting of the project, and of course billing, payments, and so on and so forth. Your support center and the affiliate partners area. Okay, now we're gonna break it down into different sections, but before doing that, there is also the project area. You have to think that SalesJet is a very unique platform. It's designed for businesses as well as agencies, and it allows you the ability to create multiple projects that you can be working on, and each project is a separate project that it's like duplicating the whole SalesJet platform, and projects do not communicate one with the other. What do I mean by that? Well, a project is not a funnel. So for example, I can have multiple funnels within a certain area, right? I can have multiple funnels within my business, and one funnel is for one product, one funnel is to acquire customers, one funnel is to upsell existing one, and so on and so forth, and it's within my existing business. But I might have more than one business. So the leads of, in this case, the Italian marketing agency that we run are different than the leads that we want for the energy company that we run. Okay, those are different leads that do not stay together. So we have different projects for them. So all the activities related to the marketing for the Italian marketing activities are in this project. But if I need to create a new one, I just have to add a new project, and it will ask me which kind of project I want to create, and will guide me through a couple of steps to have a brand new SalesJet platform. And I can move from one to the other very easily, as you see right here. Okay, and then of course you have your account here when you can log out or handle your personal settings, and we're going to take a look at all those sections one after the other.